The Financial Intelligence Unit has officially directed all licensed banks and financial institutions to implement compulsory banking of South Sudan pounds in a move aimed at strengthening local currency use and combating illicit financial practices in the country. According to the Financial Intelligence Unit, any individual or entity found in possession of illicit substance of cash will face tough legal consequences, including confiscation. Under Section 14D of the Anti-Money Laundering and Counter-Terrorist Financing Act, violators risk up to 10 years in prison or fines amounting to 3 times the value of seized money for corporate offenders. This action follows a directive from the Vice President for the Economic Cluster, Dr. Benjamin Bol Mel, who last month instructed enforcement of local currency usage in all transactions in the country amid rising concerns over money hoarding at home, as it undermines economic stability and increases risk to personal safety. Unit warns that the continued practice of hoarding large amounts of money at home, commonly referred to as money home hoarding, can weaken the national economy by reducing the cash flow in the formal banking system of the country. Authorities say this behavior often stems from a lack of trust in financial institutions, limited access to banking services, or attempts to avoid regulation. However, hoarded cash energizes the black market, enables illicit transactions, and deprives the economy of critical liquidity needed for lending and investment. Security officials also warn that storing large sums of money at home makes individuals targets for theft and criminal activities. Authorities are calling for greater public awareness and trust in formal banking systems to curbing the trend and assisting in strengthening the country's financial sector. In a document signed by UNIT's Acting Commissioner Dr. Abraham Tilar Niknora, the unit warns the public and financial institutions alike to comply or face the full force of the law. Authorities say the move is part of wider reforms to stabilizing the national economy and protect the integrity of the country's financial system. Reporting for SSBC News, Mathiang Joseph, Juba.